How to fix Wrapped for Instagram not available. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. So I know that many of you do not have the Wrapped for Instagram feature. This problem is mainly for Androids, but if you have a iOS device and iPhone, you can still watch this video and your problem will be solved. So first, I want you to make sure that you don't have the Wrapped for Instagram app into your Play Store. So go to your Play Store, go to the top of the screen and search for Wrapped for Instagram. As you can see here, I do not have it, so it's not available for me. So now let's fix this problem. We have to go back to our Instagram app. Then click on those three lines from the right top corner, which are here. Then from here, you will have to go to the first option, which is Settings and Privacy. So click on that. Now scroll down and then click on Help, which is at the bottom of the screen. Then click on Report a Problem, the first option. Then you can click on Report Problem without shaking. Now click on Include and Continue. So here we have to add our problem. We have to write to Instagram that we do not have the Wrapped for Instagram feature available, and we will ask them to provide it for us. So we will say just like this: hello Instagram team, I don't have the Wrapped for Instagram option or feature. Please solve this problem for me. Then you can add here your email. You can also add your username for your Instagram profile. And then you will be contacted by them in maximum 72 hours. And if you are not contacted, then you can comment in the comment section down below and I'll make sure to ask you guys and to help you as soon as possible. Ask you what specific problems do you have and what response did you get. So after you've written your problem, you can click on the send button from the right top corner and then you will receive this notification right here. So guys, if this video was useful, you can like it, you can subscribe to the channel, and you can turn on the notification bell so you can be notified once I will post another video like this one. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.